Hi there, this is our TOS SN40C. It's come out of a university, and you can see it's just really been a teaching aid all of its life. It's in pristine condition, and it's as good as I ever get used in, and it's just a Rolls Royce to operate. It's just a real pleasure when you go and move the carriage or the cross slide or the compound slide. We hardly get the C models in. This will be the first one that I've had in. We usually get the B models. The main difference between the C model is they've got a bigger spindle bore. Normal size for the B's through spindle bore is 48. This is 52. And this has got the rapid on it, which we never get with the B's as well. The university's put quite a few emergency stop buttons on it, and a late model halogen light. I've gone and fitted a brand new quick change tool post on it because the lathes are worth it. They'd be worth putting a DRO on as well if someone wanted us to supply and fit one. They've got the big 5 Morse taper in the tail stock, and it's just a beautiful, beautiful lathe. Right, so we'll start from this, from the back. There's got your splash guard there, your electrical panels. It's got all the wiring diagrams, etc. Tidy this end. Main isolator switch here, emergency stop, coolant pump, halogen light. Your changes there. That's the halogen light working there. That works well. Bed's in good condition. Oh, the whole lathe's in good condition. It's got the T change here for your feeds and your rapids, and bed stops both ends, and another emergency stop here and another emergency stop there. Oh, here's your, that's nice to use, that tailstock back and forward, and beautiful and free here. That lock's working, so is that, and the quill feels really good. Okay, well the carriage, it's that free, this carriage, that you can actually spin it this way and it keeps running around, and it's just a beautiful carriage to move. It really is, and there's no slop whatsoever. Cross slide, again it's the same, it's just Rolls Royce to move and no play whatsoever. And same with the compound slide, it just moves beautifully, and again just no play whatsoever there. The rapids from brand new have been electrically disconnected, so I've gone and connected them, so that motor's never run in its lifetime. And same with the coolant pump, they've never run a coolant pump system in it, and the pump's as new from original. The only thing I've done is fitted this setup here at the very end of the coolant system because it didn't come with one. Okay, we'll start it up and run you through things. So, halogen lights running there. I can switch that coolant pump on now. Doesn't have any fluid and you won't hear it, but like I say, that's ticking over. It's a brand new pump. It's got clutches in it, so I'm just running us at a speed now, and I've got that lead screw going there, just to run you through those feeds. So I've engaged that lead screw, carriage is heading that way, and I'll send the direction back towards me. So that's coming towards me now, and I'll get that feed shaft running there. That's changing in and out through those gears nicely. Metric, Whitworth, A, B, C. So all of those are changing nicely. I'll engage that carriage on the feeds that's coming towards me. That T shift's really nice to use. Now that way. Cross slide, coming out towards you. And now that way. I can show you the rapids. I'll just stop that. And so if I've pushed that T bar to go that way, and Now this way. And in on the cross slide. And back out. So those are the rapids working. I'll just get that carriage a bit closer. So there's all the hand operation, the feeds, the rapids and everything is just really, really nice to use. So I'll run you through the speed range now. So we'll try and get the slowest one there, 45. So that's 45. 63. Whoops, I haven't quite got that right. 63. 90. 125. 180. 250. And change it into the high range. 355. 500. 710. 1000. 1400. One to go. 2000. So you can see there all through the gear range it's really, really quiet and nice. Clutches are working really well, including the neutral stop clutch, and yeah, it just ticks over beautifully and runs through and changes very nicely. So that's probably all there is. So if anyone wanted a really top quality Rolls-Royce lathe that's been preserved virtually from new, this would be a great choice. It's got the quick change fitted now, which is new, and they'd really be worth fitting a DRO if someone wanted to as well, and they're just a real pleasure to move and use, and there it is.